Welcome to Dry Ground Honey. Today we're going to transfer this national colony over to a Langstroth colony using one of these. This is the colony we're going to transfer over. This is the one that we had last year. The only one we had honey off, the only one that survived the winter. Now we've only had one loss this winter. One loss, and that's all. That was the lane worker colony we had over here, the nasty one, number 5. But I'm switching over to Langstroth. So, how are we going to do it? Pretty simple. All it's going to take, let me get the hive. I've built these new hives. Painted them with Protect paint. All we're going to do for this hive in this spot, put this board on it. It's cut in such a way that this national hive will sit right on top. It'll sit right on top sealed. He's going to come into this box throughout the spring. Boom, fill out these frames and be transferred over onto national. Easy peasy. Just put the queen in there later on. Job is good. Now you can see the bees are flying today. It's about 15 degrees. It'll be a lovely time for it. It's like the 3rd of March, something like this. We've got these new floors. First thing I'm going to do, move this colony out the way, put the new floor down. It's just a solid underfloor entrance floor. Get these on it. Hopefully be no hiccups. Now they were pretty calm last year, but I've left the smoker just in case. I've got some space cleared off over there. First things first, move the old hive out the way. It's heavy. Right, I'm going to try and be as quick as possible. That's the old hive out of the way. With a new floor on. The new box on. Now this is a Langstroth. This is a Langstroth jumbo box. So pretty big frames. Pretty big box. With them all lined up. Now the next step, put the other box on top, put the board on. Put the board on. Get our conversion board is literally just a bit of plywood with a square cut out to the right size. It's shorter than the Langstroth is long, it's shorter than the national is wide. Now, put the other hive on top. This is heavy. That's on there. Whoosh, that's heavy. That is heavier than I thought. Whoosh, that's it. Easy peasy. Here's a quick look at how the top box is fitting on this board. Some bees still trying to get in because that's what they recognise. But it's pretty sealed. It's just the worst bit of plywood that I had at my disposal. So now we're going from getting choked out. Now we're going to be able to switch over from a national onto Langstroth frames. What's going to happen is, as the season goes on, the bees, they're going to come down, see there's loads of space here, draw out the frames, and then I'll have colonies with bees and brood already on the Langstroth frames. I'll just have to trap the queen in there. Good to go. I'll have this national box that I'll be able to use for some of my other colonies, like this one that we're going to keep on national, for my first nucleus colony. But the reason why I'm going to Langstroth is, in my out apiaries, we're going to have a couple this year, there's a couple lined up. In the out apiaries I want to have a single box management system. I don't want to have to be doing lots of brood boxes, you know. So last year this box, it was brood to brood every frame. So there clearly wasn't enough space in this national for those black market honey background queens. So we got them in this Langstroth jumbo box. If that's not big enough, what is. But hopefully, the reason why I went for the jumbo instead of the normal Langstroth is because also, as well as it being brood to brood, wall to wall, they starved out, didn't they? There wasn't much honey in the tops of the frames. So hopefully these frames will be about 2 inches deeper. No, 2 inches deeper. They'll have more space to put honey in. I'll have less in the supers, but I won't have to come around and feed them, you know what I'm saying? How are they looking? Oh, it's causing a bit of chaos, isn't it? Like these bees are coming back and they think they got a greenhouse, but all of a sudden now they got a pink one. But they're going in, I can see them going in. See, they're going up in there. They'll be fine after today. There's loads of pollen coming in. Freshly white suit. The start of the 2025 beekeeping of dry grain honey. Alright, thanks for watching. Got any advice, tips or tricks? Any suggestions? Write them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you again. Ta-ra.